Howdy everyone, this is Graham Biden with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at Lenox Heights in Houston, Texas. We're doing a part 2 video. We've just seen the kitchen and the living room with that cool built-in. That's awesome. Now let's look in the bedroom. Bedroom's amazing. That's a king bed, so you got a lot of space in here. Great windows. Beautiful walls. The walls are really crisp, kind of a off-white, white color. It's beautiful. You've got a lot of space in here. And then you've got really nice flooring. There's no carpet in here at all. This is just this really nice luxury vinyl. This is the bath. The bath looks amazing. You've got some dual sinks in here, huge mirror. I mean, it's just an outstanding bathroom. Here's the closet in here. It's a walk-in, and you have shelving in there, so that's really cute. I like in the shower, you've got a really nice not only shower that you walk into, but you've got a bench too that you can sit at. This is just an adorable bathroom. It really is. And it really easily opens up so guests can go in and out there without having to go through your room. So it's a really pretty one bedroom. Hey, if you're ready to take the next steps, what I would do is request a virtual tour. Send in a text to me below. Just say, hey, Grant, let's set up a virtual. That way you can just see it without even visiting it. We can see what's available and walk through it just like this. Send me a text right now. We can set that virtual up even for today.